Hey, my chickadees. Welcome back to the Bag 40. Okay, Juju is here with Meg's January Junk Journal prompt. And this is prompt number 8. And I've had to record this because I did it. When I upload it for the 9th because I have said on it that it was the 9th. I seem to not know my days and need reorientating frequently. But this is for 8. 8 was like neutral. So I did this spread, and this is I did the neutral here with the lady and the writing and the little enjoy because I'm really enjoying this prompt challenge. This is going over with this neutral, and this is like a little male pocket here, did it kind of neutral, and then this is like her little piece of her dress that he's got that he's put in his pocket with his hanky saving it, you know. And then going on with the pocket theme, I've kind of put these little piano roll scraps up here like a little hanky that you can pull out and write on and journal on. Then I did a little neutral cluster down here. So there we go. We have our little junk journal spread for today, the 8th for neutral. There we go. Thank y'all. Have a good day. Bye.
Listen to me, baby. He's got issues. Throw away your tissues. Don't be hard.